here is a fix for a slow draining sink. Fill it this side, plug it, the opposite side of the disposal, fill it up with a little bit of water, at least so that's over the hole. Now I'm going to fill up this side with hot water. It's already hot. Plug. Okay, now I filled it up about almost a halfway full with hot water. I'm going to go ahead and add some generic dish soap with degreaser in it. I'm just going to add a good amount. Now, pull out the plug and I'm going to turn on the disposal. I'll push through. Okay, now go ahead. Let it flows more freely now. Yep, seems to be draining well now. If you like this video, please subscribe down below, give a like, and also consider watching out of my fix-it videos for when you're next. Do it yourself.